Check out this 2005 Lexus ES330. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Call today to schedule a test drive.